In this tutorial, I will show you how to combine OpenAI and ElevenLabs to reply to your users with audio messages when they send a voice message to your bot. First, connect OpenAI in the integration section and make sure it does not handle your default reply. Connect ElevenLabs in the integration section. Create a flow where you convert users' audio to text using OpenAI action and convert the text generated by OpenAI to audio with ElevenLabs action. You need to set the flow as your default reply. Let me show you.
How can I create an account on Facebook?
To create an account on Facebook, you can follow these steps. 1. Visit the Facebook website. Go. Sign up. On the Facebook homepage, you will see a sign-up form on the right side. Fill in your first name, last name, email address or mobile number, password, date of birth, and gender. 3. Click Sign Up. Once you have entered the required information, click on the Sign Up button. 4. Confirm your email or mobile number. Facebook will send you a confirmation code to the email address.
Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.